Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of income statements by class in NetSuite. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's just a way to organize financial data smartly. Imagine tracking revenue and expenses separately, like keeping tabs on your coffee budget versus your snack budget. This method helps businesses understand which department or location is making money and which one is just burning cash. Let's break it down. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, let's talk about NetSuite's financial reporting, your business's crystal ball. NetSuite gives you powerful tools to analyze performance, so you're not just guessing where your money went. The best part, you can customize reports to fit your needs, whether you're tracking profits or just figuring out why office snacks cost a fortune. These reports help you make smart financial decisions, because gut feelings don't pay the bills. Why should you care about income statements by class? Well, imagine running a business without knowing which part is making money. It's like driving blindfolded. This method helps you spot profitable and not so profitable areas, making budgeting and forecasting a breeze. Plus, it keeps things transparent, so no one can sneak in extra expenses for team-building lunches without you noticing. Setting up classes in NetSuite is easier than assembling IKEA furniture. No missing screws here. First, head to classification settings, then define classes based on your business needs. Assign transactions correctly, so your reports don't look like a financial jigsaw puzzle. And remember, consistency is key. Otherwise, your data will be as confusing as a tax form. Finding income statement reports in NetSuite is like finding the best coffee shop in town. You just need to know where to look. Head to the financial module, pick the income statement, and apply filters to get the insights you need. Once you have the data, review it carefully, because numbers don't lie, but they do tell interesting stories. Filtering income statements by class is like sorting your wardrobe. You want to see what fits and what needs to go. Apply class filters to refine financial data, compare performance, and spot trends. This helps you make smart decisions, like whether to invest more in a thriving department or rethink spending in a struggling one. No more financial guesswork. An income statement is basically your business's report card. It shows revenue, yay money, expenses, boo bills, in the final profit or loss. Think of it as a financial selfie. It captures how well your business is doing over time. Understanding these components helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid unpleasant surprises. Revenue breakdown by class is like checking which of your side hustles is actually making money. Categorizing revenue helps you see where the cash is flowing, identify top-performing streams, and plan for growth. Whether it's product sales, services, or something else, knowing your revenue sources ensures you focus on what works. Expense allocation by class is like tracking your personal budget. Where did all the money go? By distributing expenses across different classes, you can see which areas are spending wisely and which need a reality check. This helps in cost efficiency and better financial management, because no one likes surprise expenses. Let's talk about gross profit, the magic number that tells us if our business is actually making money. We calculate it by subtracting cost of goods sold from revenue. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, even seasoned professionals trip over hidden costs. A solid grasp on gross profit ensures we're not just moving money around, but actually growing it. Gross profit is great, but net income, that's what really counts. Net income considers all expenses, taxes, operating costs, even those coffee machine upgrades. It helps us see if the business is truly profitable or just playing pretend. Let's break down the formula and ensure every dollar works in our favor. Standard income statements are useful, but customizing them makes all the difference. Whether it's investors, management, or auditors, everyone wants to see different data. The trick is balancing detail with clarity. Too much info and people zone out. Too little and they ask endless questions. Class reporting helps us segment financial data for better insights. But why stick to rigid formats? Using dynamic criteria allows reports to adapt to specific business needs. Because one-size-fits-all rarely works, let's explore how flexibility improves accuracy while avoiding confusion. Comparing financial performance across different classes is like analyzing multiple departments in a company. Each plays a role, but some perform better than others. The key is picking the right metrics and spotting trends without jumping to conclusions too fast. Let's get into the numbers. What good is a financial report if no one reads it? Exporting and sharing reports correctly ensures decision makers get the right insights without unnecessary complications. From PDFs to Excel files, picking the right format makes collaboration easier. Let's tackle this smartly. Every financial analyst has faced that oh moment when numbers don't add up. Common errors include miscalculations, outdated data, or incorrect assumptions. The good news: there are fixes for each. A little diligence and tech tools help us minimize errors and boost accuracy. Great financial analysis starts with smart class structures. Too many classes, confusing. Too few, meaningless. The trick is keeping things efficient and scalable. Let's ensure reports remain useful both today and 5 years from now. We've covered a lot, but the real magic happens when we put these strategies into action. Understanding financial reports is one thing. Using them to guide business decisions is another. Let's step forward confidently and make data-driven choices. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.